Life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? If you guys enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. I woke up craving this, guys. I'm craving some soft rice. So I went to Apna Punjab Sweets and Takeout. Address, phone number right there, guys. Drop my name when you guys jump in. The soft rice I'm craving all day, guys, is this right here. If you guys don't know what this is, come on, guys. I always get this. Every time I go to an Indian spot, I always get the chicken biryani. Always get the chicken biryani when you guys, or here, always check out the biryani before you get anything else. I promise you guys, if the biryani is good at the place, everything else is good. And also, I got the tandoori chicken, guys. This just looks bombs. Let's just get into this quick time. First things first, chicken biryani. Always get the chicken biryani if you guys go to an Indian place. I know this is fresh. You know why I know this is fresh? It's because I've ordered it and it took 35 minutes to get out. Take the first bite of this, chicken biryani. Just got it. Quick time. Nice. I'm pumped for this. I'm telling you guys, get the chicken biryani. That's so legit. This is so legit. If the biryani's good, everything else is good. I think the typical thing people always go in and get is the butter chicken. Everybody always go in and get the butter chicken. So they gave me a yogurt too. So this is the yogurt that you just pour on. I'm just gonna pour a tad bit. Not too sure, but they gave me fresh onions as well, or raw onions as well. Maybe I'll give it a try. With the yogurt. Quick time, guys. Yes, got it. Nice. Just amazing. They gave me a side of raw onions as well. I'm not too sure if it goes on this or the chicken there itself, but let's try it with the raw onions. Got it. Nice. I just love the raw onion. Even if it's not made for throwing on this, the raw onions makes it so tasty. See, the last place I went to get chicken biryani, they threw in raisins. This one doesn't have raisins. I just want to let everybody know that there's no right or wrong way of making a dish. It's their twist and take on it. See, if everybody had the authentic dish, I wouldn't have had travel far for the same dish, right? Take McDonald's for instance, alright? McDonald's has burgers, okay? You can say they have the most authentic American burgers in America. And just imagine all the other burger shops having the same burger recipe, right? But no, come to In-N-Out, we serve the same burgers too. You guys get it? It's their twist and take on the burger. Everybody has their twisted take on dishes. Once you got the foundation of the dish down, you can build it up however you want to. Like this biryani here. Has an awesome aromatic taste to it. But it's very different from the last biryani I ate at another store, right? This is so bums. Alright, next. The chicken tandoori. I know this is fresh. I hate how my camera's like that. But anyways, I know this is fresh because it took them 35 minutes to pump out. Guys, tandoori chicken. Quick time, guys. Guys got it. Nice. I'm pumped for this. That's amazing. I want to say out of all countries, Indians are the spice gods. Or queen. They're awesome at seasoning their food. That's just amazing. They even give me a piece of that chicken ass, guys. A piece of the chicken ass. Let's got it. Nice. I'm pumped for this. Tangy, delicious. If you guys have never tried chicken tandoori ever before, what are you guys doing? Here's the question though. How do you guys get this red color? Because I know this red color isn't paprika. Or is it paprika? No. Can't be paprika. This is amazing. Wow. I want to say it's a little too red or too pungent red to be paprika. Guys, another bite of this. It's got it. Nice. I'm pumped for this. I just love that char. I think they cook this in a clay oven. You can definitely taste the difference between a regular oven versus a clay oven. But I think they do roast this in a clay oven. Ow! The most beautifulest thing ever. There's a McDonald's right beside me. Everybody that's going into McDonald's right now is missing out from heaven on this side here. got a question, guys. Do you guys like the long, or not the long, the big feast videos? It can be very overwhelming if you're trying to make a recipe or trying a recipe. The reason because everything's everywhere. What I mean by that is that once there's like 6 dishes that's going on, I need to be paying attention to 6 dishes at the same time. You know what I mean? So if I'm making bread, bread needs to be proof. So once the bread has to be proof, I'm working on something else so I don't waste any time. That's why I say don't blink, guys. Like you can make, let's say if I had 6 dishes and I had a Philly cheesesteak in one, the Philly cheesesteak takes about probably 2 hours to make. But within that 2 hours, when I'm making bread, I'm working on another dish. So when I'm working on another dish, I come back to that Philly cheesesteak. Then I'm working on that. Then I work on another dish. That's why it's so confusing. With one dish at a time, or one video, or one dish in one video at a time, I can really focus on the recipe. Just amazing. What can I say about this place, guys? This is my 2nd time at this place here. Food is amazing, atmosphere is amazing, customer service is amazing. You guys gotta check this place out if you guys are in Edmonton or living in Edmonton. Short one today, guys, just because I'm tired. I'm tired from the big feast, guys. But back at it again on Monday. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your palm shirts. Food and Life's a Beautiful Thing shirt. Like this, share this. Peace out.